It's dawn, not bright yet. A sari-clad woman tends a cow in semi-darkness. The woman is talking to the cow. She squats next to the animal and starts milking. This is 60-plus Shamina Khala with her cow Moshumi.
আমার কিছুই ছিল না, শুধু এই ঘরটা আছে, এই চিহ্ন রাখছি এই ঘরটা। কোনো সময় খাইছি, কোনো সময় খাইনি, কোনো সময় 7 দিনও আমি ভাত খাইনি। এরকম কষ্টটা করছি। জ্যাম কল আসলো, আসার পরে তখন একটা সমিতি আমাদেরকে ডাকাইলো। এতে 12,000 টাকা দিল, তখন গরু আমি আর কি প্রথম গরু আমার এইটা। গরু থেকে আমার জমি হইল, বাড়ি হইল, এই চালা ছিল না, এই চালা হইল।
The morning brightens up and the pot is full with white frothy milk. Like Moshumi, more than 3,000 cows have been distributed by Kazi Shahid Foundation to thousands of women in Panchgad. The deal is, the recipient will pay back to KSF a portion of the milk and cow dung over a period of 2 years. On an average, most people pay back within a year. The yield from the cows is always good. Shamina Khala shyly tells us, I am healthier than before. While KSF takes 6 liters of milk, I sell some locally. There is always some milk and rice for my midday lunch.
দুধ ভাত খাই, কলা খাই, আমিও খাই, ছেলেও খায়, নাতিপুতিও খায়, বৌমাও খায়।
Shamina Khala has increased her income by producing vermicompost. Thousands of slimy earthworms eat up the cow dung, and their excreta produce rich in nutrient, dark, granular vermicompost. Tons of this vermicompost are needed to fertilize the Kazi tea gardens, the largest single-estate organic tea garden in the world. KSF male members run small organic tea gardens on tens of acres of land. They need the magic of Shamina Khala's vermicompost. Tons of vermicompost are collected from KSF's members every month. More than 300 kilometers away, in Savar, we are in a green field. It is early in the morning and there is still some mist in the air. This is KSF's organic farm. People grow vegetables here and send them to Mina Bazar superstores. The yield is still small but growing because there is a great demand for organic vegetables in the cities. Through several branches of the Kazi Shahid Foundation in Panchgad, Sirajganj and Savar, Kazi Shahid Foundation has touched the lives of several thousands of families. Apart from the economic empowerment of these families, Kazi Shahid Foundation has also opened a preschool for children in Panchgad. Here, children learn social skills. They learn to sing and dance and get ready to be admitted to normal school after a year. Kazi Shahid Shikshan Kendro's preschool students normally do better than others when they enter the regular schools. This is afternoon in Shamina Khala's village. While a healthy cow moves in the background, in a courtyard, a group of women sit and discuss their future plans with the KSF field manager. They see a bright future because their milk may fetch a better price. Their organization, KSF, is planning to set up a chilling plant and a transportation facility for their milk to be taken to Dhaka. In Dhaka, their milk will fetch a higher price. Old Shamina's face brightens up. She may buy another cow in the near future, this time with her own money. The KSF field manager asks the women if they know anyone else who might be interested to enter the group. There are a few more cows coming.